Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl leeahkynee back with another video. So today I'm going to be starting off using my Fenty primer, my witch hazel rose petal, and my jojoba oil, and I'm also going to do my eyebrows off camera. Once my eyebrows are done, I'm going to go in with my translucent powder and set my eyelids so there won't be any creases in my eyelids. Now that is done, I'm going to get the Morphe 35 eye palette, and I'm going to get the color Coral Cloud and apply this color to my crease. Once this color is applied to my crease, I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette in the color Positive Tea and apply this color to my lid and also blend this out with my crease color. Once I'm done applying Positive Tea to my eyelids, I'm going to go back in with my concealer and just cut my crease. Once my crease is cut, I'm going to go back in with the Morphe 35 eye palette. I'm going to get the color Brilliant and pack this onto my lid. Once I am done applying the color Brilliant to my eyelids, I'm going to go back in with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to get the color No Joke and basically blend out my crease color and my lid color and blend those out. Once I am done blending out No Joke onto my lid, I'm going to get my witch hazel and basically wipe away the fallen shadows. Now that is done, I'm going to get my Fenty Beauty foundation and I'm going to apply this to my face. Wait, nothing's coming out. I'm going to get my other Fenty Beauty foundation and apply this to my face. You guys can tell I love this foundation. It's one of my favorites. Once that is done, I'm going to go in with my Tarte concealer and just apply this under my eyelids. And I'm going to blend this out, and as I always do, I'm going to get the excess and bring it down to my chin and on my nose. Once that is all done, I'm going to just set my face with my MERCIER translucent powder, and I'm going to be setting under my eye, my nose, and my chin. Now that it is done, I'm going to go off camera and apply my lashes using my Kiss Lashes 11 and my Sephora LashCraft mascara. And I'm going to be applying the Color Positive T on my bottom lash line as well. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to just wipe away the powder. I'm going to blend the powder out using my beauty blender. Once that is done, I'm going to get my Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty bronzer and just bronze my face. And now I'm going to get my Morphe setting spray and set my face. Once I'm done setting my face, I'm going to go out with my Kylie lip liner and my Fenty Beauty lip gloss and apply this to my lips. And now I'm going to get my Morphe 8S highlight palette and my Morphe highlight driplets, and I'm going to just highlight my face. I'm going to use the driplets to highlight the corners of my eyes, and then I'm going to be using this color right here in my Morphe 8S palette, and I'm just going to apply this to my cheekbones and my eyebrow bones and everywhere else I can find fit. And now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and get my all-nighter setting spray, set my face, fix my hair because it's a little wonky, and that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and make sure you guys turn on those post notifications so you will not miss upcoming videos. Don't forget to check out the description box below to stay connected with me and also to check out my other videos. Have a great day.